Hello there. Android is a great little operating system. It is absolutely packed with great features, awesome hacks, and time saving tricks. But how much do you really know about your phone or tablet? Sure, you can make phone calls and send texts, but I bet there is something in this guide that you weren't aware of. Keep on watching this guide, find out. You can enable the developer mode on Android phones. Okay, this is one of the more widely known tricks, but it is important nonetheless. So I am going to include it in this guide. Navigate to settings, scroll down, tap phones, tap software information, and tap on your phone bill number 7 times. Developer mode has been turned on. You can find the developer options from your settings. For most part, latest Android phones already feel very snappy. However, some lower end phones only ship with 4 GB of RAM and in extreme cases just 2 GB. One solution is to change your phone's window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale from 1x to 0.5x. Granted, it won't actually make your phone faster, but it will make it feel faster. To do so, open settings and tap developer options. Scroll down to find the necessary option. Do you keep getting an annoying app notification, but you are not sure which app is causing it? There is an easy solution. Just long press on the notification in question and your device will tell you. You can manage app notifications. After you long press the app, you see an information icon. Press it and you'll be presented with notification settings for the app in question. You can do things like block all or some of its notification, allow it to override priority mode, and make it hide private information. The do not disturb mode is probably one of the most underrated features on entire operating system. In short, it allows you to put your phone into quiet mode but still allow some noises to get through. This could be call, text, or what is apps from specific context, notification from certain apps, or important alerts such as alarms. To set up, do not disturb, open settings, tap sound and vibration option, and tap do not disturb. From this screen, select the options that you require. It can be quickly toggled on and off from the quick settings menu. Smart Lock is super useful. It removes the need to use a keypad lock when you are at home or in another trusted environment. It can use GPS, certain networks, your face, or even your voice to prevent your phone from locking itself, making for a much faster and hassle-free experience. Head to Settings, tap Security and Privacy, tap on Smart Lock or Lock Screen to set it up. All compatible messaging apps support chat bubbles. A chat bubble is a persistent shortcut icon that is always visible on screen regardless of whether you are using the main app or not. It will take you straight to the chat window of the person you are talking to. You can turn chat bubbles on by heading to settings. From settings, tap notifications. From notifications, tap advanced settings and tap floating notifications. Select the bubbles option, then turn any chat into bubble by going to settings, notifications, advanced settings, conversations, and from this screen, choose the conversation you want to enable the feature for. That's it for this guide. Android is packed with lots of tricks that I have not covered here. But if you start using these tips regularly, you can become a Android power user in no time. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.